This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number one or demo. You can consider in any manner. It's a demo session of the our first session of the Azure Cloud plus Terraform. Right, guys? Am I audible to you guys? Please confirm it before going to move.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, it's audible.
Hi, Tarang.
Hello.
Good morning.
It's
Hi,
audible.
good morning. Good morning. Yeah.
Actually, your
Thank you for
voice is
confirming.
very low. Audible, but
Now
not very.
it is good now. Is it okay? Hello.
In between, your
Yes.
voice is
Yes.
breaking.
Unmute.
It's fine for me.
Okay, sure.
It's good now.
One second. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, guys. So the plan is very simple, guys. We are going to learn one cloud from end to end. So before going to move, myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda, I have a total 11 years of IT experience. Especially, I am working on the automation area on AWS and Azure clouds. Already, I almost 52 batches completed on only PowerShell. Azure Point, maybe it is at 11th or 12th batch. And come to the course prerequisites. Really, the plan of this training is two components, not only one, that are Azure Cloud is a one part, Terraform, this is a 120 days duration training. But once we good at Azure Cloud, first of all, who are eligible to learn this one? Who are eligible to learn this one? I mean, what are the prerequisites or who are eligible to learn this one? We will see that elements. It's very simple. Here I am saying to you one word. In this training, I'm not going to start a day one as a day one only. I'm not going to start what is Azure Cloud, what is the networking. No, I will not move in this way. So before this, a 10 days plan is there before coming to the Azure Cloud. Example, day 11, I will start the Azure Cloud. Day 1 to day 10, you are going to learn the prerequisites for this training. So my statement is very simple. Nothing is required as a prerequisites. So what are the prerequisites I am going to cover in this area? Prerequisites. One is Linux basics, complete with the requirement components for your training. We are going to spend almost 7 hours on this area. And networking, this is completely new one to you. What is the but a very detailed manner you will get the training in this networking Linux basics. And the terminology. After these three only, I am going to start the Azure training. Only one service is going to decide you how much you are good at Azure cloud or AWS cloud. Simple. If you learn one cloud, second one is very easy. And here I am going to compare every service with AWS. Listen my statement carefully. If you learn one cloud services, second one or another cloud is very easy. Already you are good at another cloud, even Azure also easy. So only one service will play the important role, that is a virtual network. Almost we are going to spend 40 hours time on only this service. Infra level, once we are good at that area, we can work with any type of troubleshooting. Only 40 hours time we are going to allocate on the virtual network. And we have other services also there. Virtual machines are there, storage accounts are there. Yes. Next one, backup and recovery and monitoring, Azure account, automation account, and then after SQL Server and ARM templates, and migration. Yes. Then after you, that's all. This is a simple training, but each service will take not a only this will take 40 hours. You can consider only 40 hours. Sir, here only I am going to cover the Linux. If you come to the certification point, which one I am going to cover? If you, that is your question, AZ 900 fundamentals and AZ 104. But more than this, I am going to cover. More than this one, I am going to cover. And Terraform point, ultimate thing you are going to get in this training. The Terraform point, you will get ultimate training. Example, you can see the flow. I'm not sure which one we have presently and related to Azure. One or two. Okay, I think one is not there. So how the training is available only on the Terraform. Even you don't need to think about the Azure cloud. Just leave it me how we are going to enjoy in that area. It's a one of the training of the Azure Terraform. But before going to learn the Terraform, one thing you should be good at Azure cloud. Without knowing Azure cloud, Terraform is useless. In the Terraform also, it is not a 1 hour, 2 hour session. It is a 20-hour session. Even if you take only Terraform, the cost for this is 3,000. Only for Terraform, 2 to 3,000 is there. Even in the Terraform also, if you are already working, yes, these are the important terms we need to understand. Who providers, data source, and component is resource, provisioners. Instead of that, what is a file and what is a local executor, remote executor, and workspace. Then resource is there. Next one, module component important, and loops, conditional statement. Only one conditional statement here. Yes, and state file information. Then after tent, import, and backend state file storing on S3 bucket or storage account. Just I'm giving overview only what we have here. Just I'm giving to you overview only here. Sir, one thing, very clear statement. We are going to learn first of all Linux. That is the first component. Why? Because 70% the servers are Linux based only. 30% we have a Windows servers. Okay, other is 60-40 you can consider. 60-40 servers we have in that way. And if you want to get a expert level knowledge on this portal, see, just I'm logging into the portal of the Azure Cloud. What is the services we have? And terminology is important. If I want to create a VM, we have a multiple ways are there to create a VM, not only one way. By a portal, for example, if I explain you how to create a VM on the portal, anywhere you can use, even non-IT people also will get the idea if they if we trained that person 2 to 3 months. So only for Azure Cloud, really, I have not only one person to giving the training. If you are planning to learn the Azure Cloud, I am not only one person in the market. Lot of people are there. They are providing the training. Yes, but see now why this is very different training, guys. Here you have a safe side is there. Really, if your planning is Azure administration, or if you want to learn Azure Cloud end to end, yes, different ways are there, different sources are there, other trainers also there. Sir, now see here, every service we are going to learn here with help of the Terraform, as well as here Azure PowerShell also there. But this Azure PowerShell is optional to you. Either you need to select any one of them. You can select any, either this one or this one, fine. But we should be good at the portal, anyone. This is a portal, just to open the browser and create it. That is not a matter. No one will give to you in real time. Everything you, every day your requirement is not only creation, not only creation. Every day you are not going to create every day, creating the VM, creating VM. No, no. Sir, managing, find out the issues. Yes, otherwise deployment is there, portal is there, but portal choice you may not get. See, either CLI, these two are CLSI, command line interface. You can select Terraform. This is the best option. But really, already you are trained on the PowerShell. You know the power of that one. PowerShell power, you know already how to create the magics. Very rare people will be available. Azure PowerShell, Azure Cloud, and Terraform. I will give the guarantee this combination never available to you. This combination is not available to end, not only 1 hour, 2 hour concept, and like a first 1 hour basics. No, not like that. So we are going to see this training in a different manner. Even I am going to providing the pre-basics for that. I mean nothing but prerequisites, we are calling that as Linux basics and networking basics. Sir, what I am telling to you, for example, one service I will explain to generally, sir, it is not any other thing. Simply, for example, I want to create a one resource group. Example, this is a portal. You are not only one person. Even I will bring a uh, the person, those who are having a at least a basic idea on the server, fine, we will bring that person. And if we train it 1 or 2 days, just provide this one. And if I give the idea, okay, if you create this one, it's like a container, everyone will do this activity. We need a multitask people, sir. This is anyone can do this one, not only we are the one person. Example, one service. But the same thing, see, if I'm good at PowerShell, okay, PowerShell is optional. Already you are trained on the PowerShell, you can use it. Even if you are not trained also, fine, sir. Upcoming lot of batches are there for the PowerShell. Not immediately PowerShell is not mandatory here. Not immediately day one is not mandatory. Day 30, like that it is required. Day 30. Anyhow, I'm going to start one more PowerShell batch. Is running on almost at day 35. But I'm saying to you, this is a real market we have. See how I'm going to create a, for example, a dot. I'm going to create a some. I want to create 10 resource groups in with the help of this scripting. So I'm asking, like, enter. Okay, I'm writing some logic. This is not a pre-planned. Enter the common prefix of the. Otherwise, enter number of RGs or resource groups. Otherwise, you can create only one also, no problem. You can create only one also. Just randomly, I'm showing to you. I'm taking as an integer. See, even those who are part of PowerShell also, this loop is upcoming one. Uh, Even I think you know very well about this one. But don't worry, what is this one? You're writing a different terminology, day one only. I'm not getting this one. No, you don't know this one. I'm only saying that one. My RG, East USA, I'm selecting. That's all. If I run this program, I want to create 10. See the magic on the screen, white color screen, you have a 2. You have a 2 this scripting I will explain to you. PowerShell scripting is different. Once you good at PowerShell, not a good basic information. The first 15 sessions are important. Without that 15 sessions, you cannot learn. Even if you want to learn the PowerShell, 15 hours PowerShell concepts are important. I will provide to you with a nominal price. Already you are trained on that one. You know the importance of that first 15 sessions. I no need to explain it. Either PowerShell or Azure, any one of them, if you go, really you will enjoy. But I will recommend to you learn both, guys. From my side, I am telling to you. Anyhow, you will learn portal level. Portal I will explain. You can also learn. Multiple YouTube channels also there. I am saying that one to learn this portal, this browser, portal.azure.com. Multiple channels are available. Or multiple trainers are available. Even you can get multiple videos also from your friends. But these videos are not available anywhere. Not available anywhere. I'm only saying that one. Not available anywhere. Yes, a different thing we are going to learn. Now see, I'm creating 10. Yes, magic completed. See, magic completed. 10 created. Even if I want to delete everything also, I don't do anything. Sir, this is a one we required. This is a market requirement. Not only creation, deletion by the portal. For that, nothing, sir. What is your job? Simple. Now see, this is going to delete everything. This is going to delete everything. How much work I am doing for this? Even if you learn the Terraform, day one, any person don't know what is the Terraform. I am only saying that word. Day one, no people don't know what is the Terraform, right? So I'm writing simple to code. One second. Is it Terraform one? Give me 1 minute time. I will create a folder. Same activity. Uh, just wait. Try to understand my concept. Example point. Other things are very easy, sir. What I am explaining here, the variety of training you need to observe. The point you need to observe here. I created a folder. Now see, if you know the Terraform. Okay, if I know the Terraform, then how to do this one? See, come on. Sorry, naga dot pf, creating a file. Give me 1 minute time. Meanwhile, I will do one thing. This path I will copy. Just come with zero mindset to learn these three technologies. Come with even Linux port, Linux or command line interface. Just come with zero mind on. See how I am going to create. For example, already nothing is working. Provider, I think it is not working. Even though this is a common thing every day, we are creating futures. Just to give me. We need to install the extension only. That's the first time I'm using after a very long time. When I open this program, also I have another different application. Now, okay, working, sir. Resource Azure RM. Come on, where are you? Fine, the working. Same resource. Now, what is the action? I try to delete that one. Yes, everything is deleted. Not only these ones, sir. Even I'm saying to you simple things, sir. You can create a load balancer. You're expert. Just a matter of 1 or 2 minutes. Create a VM. If you're expert, you're good at this one. Create a VM. Create a VM in front of by command line. I will understand. If that is your question, see, I'm simply creating, for example, new VM Naga credentials. get credentials. Even credentials also not required. Just provide the, it will give the prompt to you. What is the name? Naga, password, whatever the password you want. That's all. My VM is ready. My VM is ready on the screen. Sir, how much time it took? Compare with your portal and other things. My deployment process is completed. And even though here also, I will create a resource group, or I will, VM is lengthy script, not a simple thing. And I'm going to create, come on, resource, Azure, RM, resource group is there, label name MyRG. Actually, it is not working. Location is TS2. Name equals to MyRG 200. Anything missing? Name, location, mostly. 1 second. What is this one? Name is fine. Okay, both are there. Now see, directly I am going to, first of all, I will set the format, FMT, proper alignment, Terraform validate everything is coming properly. Key value, yes, everything is good. Now, come on, run this. Yes, I'm not going to even, we have a multiple options are there. Plan out a.tf. I'm creating file into one file. Terraform is ultimate tool, definitely. Why? Because if you learn one time, you can implement for any technology, infrastructure purpose, deployment purpose, but not for the only deployment purpose only. You can use this one, ultimate one, no doubt, ultimate one. In that scenario, it is ultimate one. I can mesmerize to you in the demo session, but I'm explaining to you whatever I'm going to cover. That is my main intention. Day 1 or day 95 also, our words should be same. Yes. So finally, it is going to create a resource group name as RG200. You can see. Finally, you will get. And here you have our VM with a, see, my VM is ready here. My VM is ready. Not only VM. Now I am going to create a resource group, my RG200, from the portal. Sorry, from the what this is, uh, Terraform. Yes, shortly you will get that one. So this is a way you need to learn the subject, guys. Not like in the portal anyone can do. You are not only expert. I am not only exporting to teach this technology in the portal. See now which is available to you, right? What I'm saying to you, only closely observe this one. See here I am going to cover a Linux like. Exactly whatever you are required to. Here today you are zero. Blindly follow one word. I am zero in the. You feel I am zero in the Terraform. I don't know Azure Cloud. I am a student. I am a non-IT background. Completely I am zero, sir. I don't know about Azure Cloud. If you don't know Azure Cloud, how you know the Terraform? No doubt. Maybe you heard the word of the Terraform, but completely you can consider in this point also zero. Just come with zero idea on this concept. Just insert whatever I'm explaining to you, and usually after every live, after, you will get the daily recordings also. You will get the daily recordings. Watch 1 or 2 times. You have a time. Already you have a good idea. Live session is enough. Live session is enough. Otherwise, no sir, I want to do some practice. Every day you will get the daily recordings. Whether you are attending live or not, definitely you will get the daily recordings. Definitely you will get the daily recordings. Come to the other hand, come to the course content. Yes, 1 second. I think we have on the desktop. Right, sir. Now close labs. This is a, yes, I said the first Linux and PowerShell basics. Absolutely, it included, and networking basics also, guys. Not only these two, networking basic also. Why? Because the very first service we are going to see networking only. Even you can see one of the, I'm not telling to you more and more about my training. Just this is a running batch at evening 9 p.m. You can close the object. One second. Azure PowerShell. Running batch. Not this one. Not this one. Yes, this is the one. Azure Cloud and Terraform. Sir, they are at 62. Session number 62. Little bit moving. Like, see, this is the first day one, and I will cover the Linux basics. Even if you see any one of them, see after the live, I will share these recordings. Sir, you will not get daily any some year recorded video. First, I will take the live. After that, that live I will share to you.
Yeah. Now tell me how to provide that one. You have a mic
200.
option now.
Which mode?
So definitely interaction is a key factor in my training. Without so Linux basics, then after here networking basics, networking. These two long session will create a idea on the cloud. If you are working like previously VMware, Windows Point, other cloud or other technologies, what is a CIDR networking and how to divide a CIDR to subparts or subnets, and what is the slicing. I mean, slicing means how to make it pieces, like a mathematical, not a mathematical, like a calculated based, exact calculator based examples we have here.
See, part one, part one, 0, 0, same as it is 0.
That is a networking. Even this is not a part starting point of the Azure cloud, guys. Then after we have a PowerShell information. PowerShell information we have. Then only see, almost I started Azure cloud at number 11. 11 to see, even if you take a, even if I talk inside of the virtual network services, it's a big list again. NSE, ASD, routers, internet gateway, internet gateway pointer. Internet gateway is nothing but UDR simply. NSG and NSG rules, and how to connect a different clouds by the private IP, nothing gateways, point to site, site to site. Yes, exactly. PowerShell required area. I introduced the PowerShell also. And see, up to almost day number 49, only networking. Then now the VMC storage account slow. This is moving, guys. Now presently, I'm not saying to you just see that one. No, no. Believe me and come to this training. Maybe mostly you're part of my other trainings. Or you're completely new one. Very first time you're interacting with my training. Just believe me and come to here. Your time is most valuable here. Time is most valuable. I'm giving to you one assurance. 100% I will do the justice to you. You can expect a 2 years of experience of the portal, 5 years of experience on the command line interface. That is my guarantee to I will give to you. A 5 years guy, how they will write a command line like a Terraform or like a PowerShell, that type of experience subject clearly I will provide to you without any hidden secrets. Portal point, that is anyone can do. Portal point is doesn't matter, but we have to learn. I am not saying to you ignore the portal, not at all. You have to learn. We are going to learn first portal, then of the, then after via PowerShell and Terraform. This is a way we are going to learn, right, sir? And the next one, first service is a VNet only, sir, not Active Directory. Here I provided like a your certification pointer, which is more than your certification pointer, and traffic manager, gateways, VM, even VM, not only these topics, uh, capturing and creating the snapshots, restoring, and what is a temp disk, what is a data disk limit. If you take a one image, how much data disk we will get, and how to analyze before going to create that one. Yes, everything here only there, but learning process we have to start properly. Everything here only. If you see, if you are going to create a VM, the 7 screens, when you good at that 7 screens, 7 screens in the sense, see, these ones are 8, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 6 screens. These two are common. You generally we will ignore. 6 screens are there, na? These 6 screens, when you are good at these 6 screens, what is a disk here, how to attach the disk, what is the managed and unmanaged, and come to the basics, how to create the keys from our end based on the Azure cloud, and how to take the spot instances to reduce the cost when we have to select the spot instances, and other two types of that, reserved, and another one is a pay as you go. Generally whatever you are using, that is a pay as you go. The one screen level information is just a matter of one service is not a meaning of that is not one day, multiple components, every box meaning step by step I will explain in this area. Not only this service, even vnet point only you can observe, that is a F50 days training. And now come to the course content. Yes, and DSC, it is also part of your PowerShell here also there to like a Ansible. If you want to do something, push some configuration on the remote servers, like a configuration management tool point. Monitoring tools, Terraform, I provide the same word, whatever I said, the same thing is available. And Active Directory, now we are calling Enter ID, that is the ultimate one, but I, as for here, we defined in this area. B2B, B2C, yes, all the plans, what is the free trial, how to synchronize the on-prem to Azure cloud, how to synchronize, I want to log in my AWS credentials to Azure cloud, how to synchronize this one. I have a AWS account, my company offering me to me, I need to work on one project on Azure cloud, how to connect it to AWS with the help of the AWS credentials, I need to log in into Azure cloud, how to achieve this one. There is, we will call IAM, here we are calling enter ID, how to synchronize the two things, right? This is a course content but lengthy content, we have to allocate 3.5 months, 3.5 months, or you can consider 4 months also. It's a daily based training, Monday to Friday. There is a only one batch, that is a morning 6 to 7 a.m. IST. After every live, you will get the after every live you will get the daily recordings. You're attending, sir. I'm attending day one. Will I get the recording? Yes, sir. You will get the daily recording, irrespective of the you're attending the session or not. You can. My intention is practicing. I'm not thinking about my recordings are coming outside. No, sir. Your part, how much you're involving in the session is important. Live session, you need to allocate your time. It's a morning, definitely we have a good atmosphere in the mornings, right? Simple, this is my training information, and if you have any queries you can ask me that one, definitely we will discuss that. One second guys, I will unmute. And for the payment process, yes, give me 1 minute. So this is a payment process, and if you're other than India, I'm sharing the if you are belongs to other than India, I'm sending these payment process details, or if you want to do the payment via bank account also we have. Just wait, now I will take all your questions. No, only morning batch, evening batch is going to close, sir. Now evening clashes with my office hours, but this will be good thing. Just give me 1 minute, I'm going to enable the mic option. Yes, fine, I can able to find out that option. Right, if you have any question you can ask me.
What about the Azure lab?
Lab in the sense, I mean, here only I will do the lab. You need to create an account from your side only. I will tell the process how to create it. Am I clear about my
Yeah, yeah.
statement?
Yeah, hi Naga, this is Bharat here.
Yes, yes,
So
Bharat,
I have a
please.
question regarding API management will cover under this course
No,
in
sir.
your module.
No, sir, not there. 104, 104 and 940 I will cover.
Right, but basically whatever the infra we are deploying, we will integrate with some API part, right? So even a
Absolutely.
glimpse of that would be helpful.
Uh,
Yeah.
right, right. Even your AZ PowerShell also one of the API only, na sir?
Yes.
Correct or not? Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Terraform also one of the API. Two things now major market demanding two tools to play with Azure Cloud. I'm using here that is Azure PowerShell, and another one is a Terraform. Even that is not a 1 hour, 2 hours concept. Service level we are going to learn them.
Yes. But I understood. But if it is also included in the current scenarios, it will be more helpful, right? So I
Definitely
hope,
one or
as
two
I can
sessions is
see the
required. Definitely I will add 1 or 2 sessions is there. Definitely we will cover in 1 or 2 sessions. No doubt, sir.
okay, as I can see in the course, complete infra is covered from A to Z. But how is infra integrated with the other application and is also an important in the current scenarios. So that's why I'm
Right.
asking API management would be a play a major role. And also
Sure.
monitoring is an any external tool or only internal service will be
Internally,
explained.
it is fine, sir. I mean, only the log and text workspace and Kusto query language two will with the two we can play with. Kusto already there, na?
All right.
I
Why I'm
mean,
asking
you are
so we
correct.
are using.
Right, right. I
Sorry,
got it.
there is
I'm
some delay in the voice. That's why we are collapsing. I mean, colliding. So my question is, like we are using a third-party platform, like a customized platform like Terraform. So if any monitoring tool is added, it will be more helpful, like a third-party tool, either anything open source, like.
okay. We will plan to Gradle or something, sir. Definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure. Thank you.
hi Naga. This side is Purna. So
Yes.
yeah, first like question is like we are working like we have 4 to 5 members from our side. So we do the night shift. So 6 to 7. Is it any possibility? Any sessions can be done in the evening? That is the
No,
one
sir.
only hurdle here.
No, sir. Already I took that morning batch completed. It is near to complete, going to close 9 to 10. But 9 to 10, I am getting conflict with my office hours. So now
Okay.
up to now present July, na, uh,
Mm-hmm.
up to November,
July.
there is no possibility at night hours. I mean, 9 to 10 up to November, not possible, sir.
Anything like in the afternoon or the like not going to the before 5 p.m. or any possibilities?
No, sir.
Maybe
No, no.
morning batches like after 10 because we usually close our shifts by early in the morning 7 to 8
Definitely, I
because
will
we
keep
we
in
are
this
really
area.
interested to join this. We are really
Right, right.
interested to join, but it's only like those timings where we close our shifts.
Yes, I can understand your problem. Definitely, sir. I will update. Like if it is weekend, is it okay? If I plan like
Yes, yes, weekends also fine.
morning hours, early morning hours, if we complete the training, after remaining day we can plan
Single.
outside or anything is there.
Saya.
Definitely, but
Nina.
Mm,
not nearby. Definitely, I will update. Presently, there is no exact plan.
Voice.
okay.
Yes,
Kali.
yes,
Ini
Manish,
entry kali je.
Manish, Pranav, yes, Pranav.
And just one
Yeah.
question from my end, to come up with this course. So in the Terraform, when we say that, like we have kind of the migrations, coming up from the customer's point, they're running the old environment and they want to move to the Azure. So I'm not much familiar here with, it's like I'm coming with the basic lines only on the Azure. So this Terraform will be helpful and you will be covering those migration strategies.
Uh, no, sir. Definitely, one question is valid inside of your statement. How to bring the existing? Please, one
Mhm.
second. So one thing, Terraform is not like a migration tool. Only for, I think we are getting some disturbance. One
It's
second.
maybe from some other end.
Okay, fine. So I muted from my end. This is better thing. So one thing, sir, with the help of the Terraform, we cannot do any migration type of task. Existing or before Terraform, any infrastructure is created by any other mode like portal or by using other APIs. Any one of them. I mean, any resource already created by non-Terraform, that type of resources we can bring to the Terraform. There is a simple concept is there. Inside also there is no big secrets. That is a import. Terraform import is a one of the command line utilities there. By that existing infra we can create it. But migration and that type of scenarios, Azure ultimately having a beautiful service is there inside of it. Already Azure having a backup, sorry, migration point, beautiful tool inside is there. Terraform not like that migration tool, just existing VMware we can bring here. Otherwise, if you have any VMware also there, existing one, we can bring to direct to the Azure cloud. Azure internally backup tools also there. Migration tool, their own migration tool is there. Databox is the best option if it is on-prem. Huge data is there. As batch timings are morning 6 to 7, and regular sessions will start either this Thursday or Monday, sir. I mean, Monday means not coming tomorrow. 15th or 12, sorry, 11. These two, one of them I will finalize. Generally, after the payment, I will add your number to the one group, one WhatsApp
Okay.
group I will add. And one more thing, guys, already you done the payment. You don't worry. Already I updated your number. You can verify. Just before starting the demo, at 10 or 10:15, I create a group. Already I added your numbers. Already, if you done the payment before 10 days or whatever that, already that one, you don't worry about your name is available or not. Already included. Limited count only. Why? Because it is an interaction training. Definitely limited count only. 30, 35. That is a limit. Yes, sir. This is about my from my side. Any queries regarding other things?
Naga Manish this side.
Yes, sir. Manish.
Naga, is it possible to add 2 or 3 sessions related to Kubernetes and CI/CD and part?
It's inbuilt tool only, no, sir. I mean, just matter. Yes, yes. Okay, definitely. I mean, simply you're asking related to Azure DevOps, but I'm ready to
Yes,
add.
few.
I'm ready to add the tools. Even I'm not worry about the tools. Already I'm providing to you beautiful content on the DevOps also. You can see.
Okay.
Even my Terraform, my Docker Terraform training required more than 30 hours. I'm ready to add. Just to even when we take the Azure cloud, everything it is providing. Everything Azure cloud only providing. Definitely, we will see that one.
Okay.
Sure,
Naga,
All
sir.
right,
We will
Naga.
see that.
Pranav,
Thank you.
Yes.
Naga Pranav here. I'm
Pranav.
fairly advanced in. Hi, Naga.
Hi.
I'm from the Python class.
Yeah, I
um,
know very well. Yes, yes. No, no, no. You don't,
so,
no need to introduce yourself. Yes.
so I'm fairly advanced in Azure Cloud. I don't need Azure Cloud. I'm already certified architect on Azure Cloud. I want to do some kind of automation types like Terraform or JSON template. So, is there any dedicated less number of hours that you need to spend on Terraform or JSON or any kind of cloud automation? Just,
But one thing,
just thought.
Terraform, we can segregate the Terraform definitely. But Azure PowerShell point after every service we are going to learn, sir. Point is
Mm-hmm,
clear. For example, we are learning 10 services. Every service first we will see in the portal. Same service we will learn by the PowerShell.
mm-hmm.
So combination will come. But Terraform is a different course. End of the complete Azure cloud training only. I will introduce that one.
Okay, so I'll be interested in Terraform only.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, from
Definitely. Ping
from
me.
from my perspective,
Yes, sir. When I got
I have 20 years of IT experience, and I'm an architect. So, um, not learning everything is not useful for me. So, just one focused area is Terraform would be good.
sure, definitely, sir. Definitely, I will update you. Offline, I will update you.
Okay, great, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Naga Sayed this side.
Yes, sir. Hi.
So I want to ask, we entirely focus on the implementation, how to create infrastructure and all. And what about troubleshooting? What about the issues and all?
While in the not only infrastructure, yes, I'm saying that one. I'm mainly focusing on here networking. Just after 10 or 15 session only, you can understand how much we are going to troubleshoot on each and every service. How we are going to identify not only one service level, sir. Here only with the flow of the each service, not only creation. Sir, creation is very easy activity. Same time I will introduce to you and I will explain to you where is the general errors will come in this training only. I will introduce to you which is not part of other course. And this is only not only deployment is very easy. And that easy task we never get in real time, never get. We will get the real time. So parallelly I will explain the services and I will point out the issues. This is the issue, and if you, this IP is unable to, or your NICOD is unable to reach that one, there only I will explain each and every topic about the service level troubleshooting. Not end of the training. Each service level only we will learn. And I'm saying
Okay,
that one.
got it.
I'm teaching style is completely different. I'm not saying big things, guys. My teaching style is different. 200% you will satisfy with every new topic. Even if you don't know anything before coming to here, 200% you will satisfy with my training. And moreover, one service you are going to learn 2 to 3 times. First of all, on the paint I will explain, then portal, then powershell. See, one service, if you the terms are repeated 3 times, anything repeated day by day, 3 days continuation, if you repeat the same service, their attributes, really that is a common thing to you. When I try to deploy by the Terraform after this course, the terms are important, very easy. For example, I want to create an energy. Yes, you will get an idea. Energy point, route, resource group and location and rules, and what is the inbound and outbound, what is the direction, what is the source and source port, destination port, and what is the priority where we can start, what is the 100, and if I give the 100, what is the drawbacks, and if I give the 300, when we have to use the 300, and 100 to 1024, how to use the priorities, every component detail I will explain to you. So that's why I'm telling that one, this training is completely different. Right, sir. Any queries?
Yeah, I got the answer. This is my last question. I just wanted to understand, can I secure a job after completing this course? Nowadays, most of the people demanding Docker, Kubernetes, mostly focus on the DevOps side. Like most of the
Right.
people saying there is no opening for the only core cloud, and also I just want to clear on the topic.
Yes, sir. Definitely, with only Azure Cloud, your statements are correct. Try to see Azure Cloud. Definitely, Azure DevOps is no doubt that is a multiple tools are there, but Azure DevOps is not a single one service. I integrated 13 tools inside of Azure in DevOps point. And one more statement here, with Azure there is no possibility, but try to see Azure with Azure PowerShell. Even ignore the Terraform, Azure and Azure PowerShell. If there is no profiles, really this use course is useless. Just to search with Azure and Azure PowerShell or Azure and PowerShell. Sir, there is no people with PowerShell. Believe me. Why? Because feel like that is a complicated, but really not. Even though any one of you already working on Azure, is there any importance of the PowerShell, guys? You have to inform. I mean, I'm not sure who are going to speak for this question. Is there any importance for the PowerShell in the organization? Is there any importance of the PowerShell?
Not much actually.
Yes, definitely is a huge demanded one. Definitely after learning first job, then our first job, or after shifting your current job to Azure and Azure PowerShell or Azure or Terraform, then you can plan for the Azure DevOps. But nothing, we don't know anything about the Azure cloud. Directly, if you learn AZ 500 or 400, without knowing Azure DevOps, sorry, without knowing Azure cloud, this training are 104 training simply. Even 900 will not give to you end-to-end information. 104 is important. Then after you can go, your plan is DevOps, you're going plan for the security or infra level, whatever it is. First of all, learn one cloud end to end. Why I'm saying this word? Your plan is next after you're working, we are going to work as a Azure DevOps or data engineering. Even data engineering, storage account is a key factor, which is a key factor. So one cloud's idea, strong idea, and with only Azure cloud also there is no jobs. You need to add any one of the two tools which one I provided, Azure PowerShell or Terraform. For this, don't worry. I am saying that one come with zero mind only, zero idea on these technologies. Definitely, after getting a safe job, you can plan for the Azure DevOps, not immediately day one, sir. Right. So this is about the demo, guys. And once if you complete your payment, please send that screenshot to the same number only. I will add your number to the group and I will update you when the batch is going to start from Thursday
I
or
know.
Monday. Yes, sir.
Naga, this payment option, is it one time or installment is there?
You can use the installment, but my recommendation use in one payment. I will add to you permanent group. It is a partial payment. Again, your number is going to add a temporary group, but that is based on your requirement. You can use two installment also, no doubt.
Yeah, so the next batch is going to coincide on 15th. For that batch, for 6 to 7 is fine, 6 to 7 a.m. But the payment option, installment structure, if you can bring me in the chat, I'll pay. I'll make a payment accordingly.
Sure, sir, definitely. Okay, you can use it and ping me on WhatsApp. I will give the clarity.
Sir, this side
Ping me on.
Vinay. Hello.
Sorry, I'm not getting your name, please.
Yeah,
Ashwar.
this side Vinay. Vinay. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So my question is, so may I know the difference between PowerShell, Power CLI, and Terraform? If I know Terraform, so PowerShell or Azure CLI is important for this role.
Sure. Okay. Sir, your Terraform is a one-time, just for creation purpose only. Simple. One time infrastructure point only. Simple terms.
Okay.
If you want to create one VM in all regions, example, you want to create one VM in all regions. If you want to create it, all regions. If you want to create it, the best option is Terraform. Our daily activity, whatever you are doing, daily you need to create and delete, create and delete. Terraform is a one-time activity. That is the infrastructure development point is good. But come to the other end, PowerShell, you can create it, you can monitor it, you can delete it, you can update it, everything, not only creation. And Terraform and PowerShell, one action is common, creation. But your PowerShell having more than creation, monitoring, deleting, updating, everything is possible, more than your Terraform.
What about Azure CLI?
There is a one, AZ is a one more command, like how you are taking Azure PowerShell, Azure CLI is a one more command line tool.
Okay. So PowerShell and CLI is both are same. I
Both
mean,
are same
same
only.
command is
Yes,
running. Okay.
yes,
So,
absolutely.
sir,
But one,
actually, I have done 305 AJ104. So I need only Terraform and PowerShell.
okay, just ping me on WhatsApp, sir. I will give to you clarity about it.
Okay, sure.
Hey, hi Naga, Sayed
Uh,
here. Hope
Sharad,
you are
yes,
doing
sir.
good. Naga, actually, like you know me, like I'm from the database end. I'm a database administrator. Just want to like build up one more skill set. So it's a good to like take the Azure admin course, and it will be give me it will give me an advantage or not. I'm not sure. So like raising a question with you.
So already you are at admin side. I mean, which DBA, sir? Which database you are using?
Oracle.
Definitely in the cloud. Even to learn this one, I am telling to you one word. To learn this technology, there is no prerequisites. Your belongs to IT area, that is fine. Real, I am saying to you, if you are non-IT, come to this area, you will not get job. No, sir. No. If you are non-IT, if you are completely non-IT, first time you are learning or planning to, previously you are a non-IT related, even there is no interaction with system, and I don't know what is the language, I don't know cloud also, I will not recommend to you, don't come to this training. I mean, that is time wasting, core factor. Second one is money. So if you are non-IT, already you're working on a perfect domain, absolutely it will enhance your idea. And even Oracle also one of the DB database in the cloud. And nowadays one cloud is mandatory. Upcoming days everything is AI only, artificial intelligence only. We should be strong at one cloud. Even I'm not saying to you Azure only. Any one of the cloud should have the strong idea, either AWS or GCP or Azure. Now in that situation, Azure having your most of the services, Microsoft services are migrating to the Azure cloud only. Even now VMware, SAP, SQL Server, everything is migrated to the cloud only. The best platform to learn if you don't have any cloud idea, but you are in the IT field, I will recommend to you take this training. Especially you will enjoy on the Terraform and Azure PowerShell and Portal. Three things.
Okay, Naga. Thanks, Naga.
Yes, sir.
Hi Naga, Amit here.
Yes, Amit. Yes, yes. I
Actually,
think
I
you're
have a
part of my
question.
groups. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Actually, currently I am working as a infrastructure specialist at Red Hat. So I want to move in a DevOps cloud part. So this course is good for me.
Okay. Your plan is on DevOps. Not only these ones are you expert in the shell scripting also. Learn the shell scripting also. Shell script also required. One cloud is required. Then only you can jump to the DevOps.
Okay. So in this course, I covered in PowerShell as well as Terraform and Cloud part, right?
You are already expert in the PowerShell. I know about it. So definitely, sir,
Uh,
I will cover here. Yes, we are covering Azure PowerShell, Terraform, Linux, and Azure Cloud.
okay. And DevOps tool like Kubernetes and something.
That is Azure. I mean, Azure DevOps is different. Kubernetes, if it is a demanded, definitely Docker and Kubernetes, I will explain to you in one session. For that, I'm ready to explain. But adding Terraform pipelines, that is again different course. Not part of in this one. We have a different course for that.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, Naga Murli here.
Sir, yes. Hi, Modi.
Naga, I am basically from system administrator. I have
Windows.
not much idea about in VMware or any cloud platform. Just I took a 1 month for training in the my free time. But how this course will be going to help in my career?
Which training you took, sir, previously?
Just 104. I went to the offline training only, but not taken any certification yet. But I have not worked in any kind of Azure platform so far.
Right, sir.
Just I
I
mean
think
zero
you're
in, but just I want yeah, yeah, of course.
yes. I do you have idea on PowerShell also, sir? I mean, your system
No, no,
administrator.
sir.
That's why I'm asking.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Now I'm saying two things, sir. Learn this course as well as you can also learn the PowerShell. You have a good benefit for the as per present market demanding. You can join this training as well as you need to plan for the PowerShell also. Why? Because in your daily activities, PowerShell is mandated in the system administration point, and this PowerShell not only related to one word Azure Cloud. Believe me, one more time I'm repeating. If you learn the PowerShell, it's a different course. PowerShell presently this is a running batch. In the same timings, upcoming batch also available. They are at number 35. But this technology will simplify your work. I'm saying to you two recommendations. Join this one. Learn Linux, Azure Cloud 104 detailing and Terraform. Second one, shortly upcoming week, mostly 25th. I'm saying that one mostly before 25th only we have a one more new batch is there for the pure PowerShell. Pure PowerShell. So, sir, now in our Azure Cloud, which one I'm going to start 6 to 7 from Monday or this Thursday? Immediately, I'm not going to use PowerShell. Definitely, I will take 31 month time. I will take to start this one. So, two things I will recommend to you: join this one and also PowerShell, sir. That's all. This is from my end.
Thanks, Naga.
Naga, hello.
Yes, sir.
Vishwanath here. So I almost have 16 years experience. I worked on different platforms. Not only that, VMware, backup, everything I worked on. Right now, I'm totally zero actually into that Azure Cloud and Terraform. So if I start from the scratch, no. So how it is helpful for me going further for interviews or placement or anything, so that it will be helpful for after finishing this one. So that is my core area, because I worked on different flavors. So it is right now whatever I've done, no, it is almost zero only. So I have to start from the scratch only. So this is what I'm expecting. How do we go further, Naga? Sorry.
I mean, after your cloud or Azure cloud training, after, for example, this training, which point of view you want to learn about? Do you want to do the job? Okay, you are good at multiple tools. You are saying that one.
Multiple tools, not in the DevOps one. Multiple means I
No, no, no,
worked
no.
on different flavors. Like yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, no. I
Go
am
ahead, go
not
ahead. Yeah.
asking you. I'm not asking you.
Mm,
Existing
mm,
one. What is? I mean, you have one plan after this cloud. I want to move as like a developer or machine
uh,
learning after this cloud. Which idea do you have in your mind?
Not sure. That's what Naga. Not sure about that. Those
The
areas.
present market,
Uh,
these tools you can
mm,
add. Then after Kubernetes is the best option at this point. Absolutely.
okay,
Microservice
okay.
level. After all these things, you can learn additionally Kubernetes. Mostly we have a 30 to 35 hours content is available. That
Mm-hmm.
profile is enough. You can add your existing ideas and your just on-prem. We have a cloud. That's all. You are previously you did same thing on on-prem. Now we have a cloud.
Okay, okay, okay. No, no, that's what I'm, because no, no, I'm just like talking just general talking, and so Azure Cloud. If I go for any interview or something, so it will be helpful for me, or how do? So that's what I'm just thinking. So
Definitely, sir. No
whatever.
doubt at all. I mean, you have all technologies and additionally upgraded. I mean, updated technology also there. No doubt about it,
Mm-hmm.
which will helpful to you.
Okay.
And I am saying to you, if you learn this
Mm-hmm.
training portal level, I definitely you will get 2 years. I will give that guarantee. But command line, I mean, by the Terraform or by the PowerShell, you can blindly write
Mm-hmm.
the 5+ years of experience.
Okay.
This
And one,
area
one
only
last
people are.
question. Okay.
One second.
No, no.
This area only we have a requirement. This area is not an important. But having
Mhm.
idea is important. Without knowing the service in the graphical user interface, we cannot do that one in the CLI.
Okay, okay, okay. And one more last question. So, means if I do this one, no, are you could just help me out with where we are going, and in future going further, it'll be good actually. But any assurance or
Definitely,
something
sir.
that.
Even so, yes, so many people are taking offline also. Definitely, sir.
Mhm,
Definitely, I will do that one.
mhm. Okay. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Sure.
Naga, this is Naveen.
Yes,
Uh,
Naveen. Yes.
Actually, in my organization, a lot of applications are migrated to cloud. So some are Azure and some are other cloud platform. So how this course
Okay.
will helpful for me, to be part of that migration.
Two things, sir. I'm not only going to Azure blindly. I'm first of all, this course is Azure, but every time I'm going to compare with AWS also. And one thing, whatever gate there is a one gateways concept will come. That time we have to learn AWS also. At this training only, in this training only, we need to learn the AWS cloud also. Definitely. But if day one, if I tell that word, I'm going to cover two clouds. Main intention is Azure DevOps. Two clouds I'm going to cover, no doubt. And every services, for example, cloud to cloud activity same. Just display name is different. Just believe me that word. This will be helpful to you to whatever your task is there. My monitoring or migration or synchronization, definitely which will helpful to you. Not only Azure, two things you are going to learn parallelly.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hi Nagar, this is Naresh. So,
Yes,
do we
Naresh.
get any training on PowerShell with this course?
Yes. I'm saying the same thing. Upcoming batch is there. Now, present running PowerShell at number 35 out of 50 days. This is a 4/7. This is a present running batch, sir. PowerShell point only I'm talking. PowerShell. Very immediately, end of this month, we have a new batch. Or 20th, probably not even end of. 20th. This is a complete PowerShell. With PowerShell, we can integrate with AWS. With PowerShell, we can work with the pipelines. With PowerShell, we can work with Jenkins. Yes, if you want to learn two things, sir, PowerShell and this one. PowerShell batch presently not available. Wait 12 days, 12 to 13 days. Presently not there. A very immediately we have a Azure Cloud plus Terraform is there. This is going to start very immediately. Yes, Purna Rao, please ping me on WhatsApp. We will discuss about it. Better, you can take Azure also, which is Azure and Azure
Yeah.
Terraform. Why? Because this batch again will not come, guys. Definitely, again it will take probably 6 months to start a next batch. Again, after 3.5 months after, I will start in the 9 to 10 only. Again, this morning hours will not come. Just to believe me. Why? Because I'm taking the training. This is not a one from last 7 years. Even you can compare how much 53 batches only completed in PowerShell. Every PowerShell people joined in the Azure cloud. Just to believe this word. Simple way. They are enjoyed a
Okay.
lot. How to do the by the command line.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, Naga. So with this course, you can't cover the PowerShell, right? We have to join the separate course for PowerShell.
PowerShell. No, I mean end to end I will not cover. But one thing. No. One thing. Yes, you are correct. End to end I will not cover. But PowerShell basic and other things in the definitely I will cover to you. Which one is required in the day one. Am I right?
Okay. So when
But
after 12 is PowerShell course is going, right? It's
yes,
going to start,
20th,
right?
after 20th. Even for the two batches are there. Even for the PowerShell point, we have a batches. Morning 8 to 9 is there. Evening 8 to 9 p.m. also there. For day, you can attend any one of them. Either morning or evening. For the PowerShell, this training
Mm.
only 6 to 7 a.m. only. There is no backup
Okay.
class. But here, you can attend either live morning 8 to 9 or evening 8 to 9 per day.
But definitely this course I will join. My intention is to join this course, but I'm thinking about PowerShell. We should have knowledge on PowerShell also, right? For cloud, if you enter into the cloud.
Day one is not required. Definitely, we have a 30 days time is required. And
Okay.
definitely, if you I will provide to you here 15 sessions content, sir, in the Python in our regular training. First 15 hours content I will provide to you how to work on PowerShell. So I'm saying that one
Mm.
PowerShell in our Azure cloud we are going to use after 30 days only, not day one. Definitely
Not
up to
down.
that
Okay.
time you will get good idea on that one. I will start the batch already. You are at number 15 or 20 between you have definitely have good idea. No worry about if you don't have any idea on the PowerShell, join upcoming batch. Even I am not saying to you should join the PowerShell batch. I am going to providing to
Naga,
you here also basics.
Okay.
Naga,
Okay. Thank
how
you.
about Terraform? Terraform is A to Z, or is the complete content of Terraform, or like PowerShell? You are saying we have to join any
No,
other
sir.
Terraform batch?
Terraform is included inside only, sir. No need to take another extra training. No, it is a
Because
part of
I
this
don't know.
only. Only
I have zero knowledge on Terraform, so this
no, no.
will cover A to Z, right? The complete Terraform.
Right, sir. Complete Terraform from the variable onwards to up to resource area we will cover. Just
Okay.
Terraform Azure Cloud. I am
So,
going to start from zero.
so
Okay.
both Terraform and Azure Cloud, you are starting from zero, right?
Absolutely, sir. That's sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that guys, that's all, and I will update the same thing in the groups also. And no need to worry about it. Properly take the decision. And here two options are there. Azure Cloud Ultimate, you will learn what is the cloud onwards. You will learn Terraform zero, PowerShell point. It is second command line utility. Already Terraform is there. Azure PowerShell. I am going to start. Azure PowerShell point. General PowerShell is required. That one generally we have a 50 hours training, which is outside of our training. Even though I will cover in this training, guys, the PowerShell. If you don't know how to start the PowerShell, I don't know anything. The 15 hours length content I will short and simple way I will explain to you on Sundays. Especially on Sundays, I'm going to cover that one. Even if you don't know the PowerShell, but definitely one time if you learn any technology, day one it is complicated, day two complicated, then after which is very very easy. Even any one of you already part of the PowerShell, you know, day one you feel how the feel, and when I explain in the easy terms, now the stage on PowerShell, your grip is different. So definitely, but a PowerShell is not a mandatory. You can stick to Terraform also or PowerShell. Otherwise, you can stick to two things also. But Azure Cloud is a calm. Azure Cloud from zero, Terraform from zero. I am recommending to you, if you have a PowerShell idea, you are the expert. No people are there with these three combinations. Yes, Purna Rao, please ping me an
So,
answer. We will discuss.
last question, Naga, please.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, after the every course, you are going to provide the video as well as a soft copy and means PDF like stuff regarding course and
Correct, correct.
videos as well per day, right?
Yes, every day, every live after, you will get the like in this way. For example, that session
Mm-hmm.
live recorded video in a
Mm-hmm.
MP4 format you will get in this way.
Availability.
So this is
Some availability set after creation, it is not possible to modify.
like this is a one sample video I'm running.
Okay.
Then after that day notes and that day used scripts and that day is there
And
any images? I'm not sure what is the image. One second, I'm opening that image. That day used images. These three things you will get every day. Whether you're attending
okay,
live or
cool.
not, definitely you will get.
Yeah, cool then. Cool. Thank you so much, Naga. You.
Yes. Okay. Yes, that's all for this, and I will upload the same demo session in the WhatsApp groups also, and properly go through the session and observe the course content and everything. You can take the decision. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Naga.
Okay, Naga.
Thanks, Naga. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Naga.
Thank you, Naga.
Thank you, Naga.
Thank you all. Thank you.